After solving question number 5, let us go on to question number 6. I am marking this question. It is given, determine the resultant of coplanar non-concurrent forces as shown in figure. Here the diagram is given. It is like a beam. Here we have a beam ACB in which we have three forces, 4 kilonewton, 12 kilonewton and 6 kilonewton. Here we have to find out the resultant. This is question number 6. I'll write the data. Data is in the form of a diagram. Now, in this case, I have to calculate resultant and even find its location, that is theta and x. This much is my question. I'll write the solution. Since to find the solution to this problem, we should see that all the forces are purely horizontal or vertical. If we see in this figure, 4 kilonewton is horizontal, 6 kilonewton is vertical, but 12 kilonewton is an inclined force. So this inclined force you have to convert it into horizontal and vertical form. Since inclination is with horizontal, so the horizontal component of 12 kilonewton, this will be 12 cos 50 degree. Vertical component will be 12 sin 50 degree. I can write the solution for this problem. Since here I have horizontal as well as vertical forces, I'll write down, since sum of all horizontal forces is given by summation fx is equal to rightward forces positive and leftward forces negative. So therefore, summation fx is equal to 4 kilonewton is towards right, so plus 4, 12 cos 50 is towards left. Apart from this, we don't have any other horizontal force, so my fx answer is minus 3.71 kilonewton. I hope you all are getting this. Now, sum of all vertical forces is given by summation of Fy, where I will take all upward forces positive and all downward forces negative. So therefore, summation of Fy will be, I have 12 sin 50 downward, so minus 12 sin 50. 6 kilonewton is upward, so plus 6. With this, I will be getting summation of Fy, and my answer of summation Fy is minus 3.19 kilonewton. Fx was negative, means towards left. Fy is negative, it means it is in the downward direction. Once I have Fx and Fy, I can easily calculate the resultant. Since resultant is given by capital R is equal to square root of summation Fx whole square plus summation Fy whole square. Therefore, capital R is equal to square root of summation Fx minus 3.71 whole square summation Fy minus 3.19 whole square. So therefore, I get my value of resultant, which comes out to be It is 4.89 kilonewton. 4.89 kilonewton, my first answer. After getting the resultant, we can locate the resultant by using the formula of theta. So I can say that now, since location of resultant is given by theta is equal to tan inverse summation fy upon summation fx. Therefore, theta will be equal to tan inverse summation fy 3.19 summation fx 3.71. With this, I will be getting theta, and my answer comes out to be 40.69 degree. So that is my answer of theta. Now, after getting theta, I can easily locate the resultant. Since summation fx is negative towards left, summation fy negative downward, it means theta is in the third quadrant. Its value is 40.69 with respect to horizontal. So here I have located the resultant, and with this the problem gets complete.